It's
All views expressed by the hosts and guests in this podcast are solely their opinions and do not reflect the opinions of their respective employers. Guests and hosts may maintain positions in the assets discussed in this podcast. This podcast is for informational purposes only, and nothing in the podcast is intended to be financial, legal, or even life advice.
Yo, we are live. What's up, man? How are you doing?
Wait, let me do the sharing first. Maybe you can talk about the overall market.
Nah,
first.
no, dude. Like, I swear, this market, it was like dead on Monday. Tuesday, it was okay, and then there was like a lot of news coming. I mean, like, because I'm not as actively just like trading discretionarily. I guess it's a bit better for me. But that was like, there's like multiple ICOs going on. There's like um the Vanguard news. What else? What else? There's Brian Johnson getting a girlfriend. Just kidding. And there's like let's see, Ostium raising. I mean, yeah, it's just like suddenly quiet, and then there's just like a lot of news. But I don't know how relevant, I guess, with like your tradings and so on, because I do feel it is a bit slower. It's like mostly just like infra news or like ETF news and shit.
So I bought some Bitcoin at spot around 86, 87-ish. But
Good
sadly, I
trade.
only bought like no, but I only bought like 20% or 15% ish on what I want to buy because
Mm.
I thought we were gonna remain bear for a bit like longer. Like I just saw the time order and stuff. But yeah, but yeah,
Why?
sadly,
Why do you think we're gonna remain? Let me share the coin 360. It's
yeah,
fine,
you know
Sam.
what I'm trying to share. Fucking no, I hate
Yeah.
Riverside.
Hey, if there's another company that wants to sponsor, yeah, but market's been up in the past day.
What do
It's
you think
actually,
triggered this market up?
let me see my macro guru on like crypto Twitter. What are they saying?
Wait, wait.
I uh,
Close the site first. You know, there's an arrow that
this
up
one,
there.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, go on, man.
You know, I think crypto is like one of those markets that people look to reasons when it's just supply and demand thing. I saw a lot of people write, oh, it's because Vanguard finally allows people to buy crypto, which logically, I guess it's rooted in logic, right? I mean, like Vanguard is the biggest index fund like provider. So like now if all of their clients can buy, it's like bullish. But I don't think there's like any immediate reason that changes like the macro landscape. Do you actually follow like any like non-crypto like traders that like talk about like like a mix of like crypto and just like macro stocks?
I used to, but then I find as I stopped doing it more and more this year just because like the correlation of crypto and stocks is just floating more and more now, and then I find that waste of time.
Hmm.
And
Okay, yeah, because
frankly, yeah. Do you trade crypto based on those? That's the thing.
no, but I think these people have more insights into Bitcoin than like alts, right? Like because I mean like I was like trying to follow because my broader thesis on the entire crypto market right now is just that basically Bitcoin just flows follows the liquidity cycle. So it follows like whatever the macro markets are doing. So like the BOJ raised their rates, we dumped, right? So like whenever you like ask me if there's like something going on, like the first thing that I would look is into like, okay, what is the stock market doing? Like, is it up? Is it down? Is there any news? So I'm trying to like make a list of like 12 people that is like crypto adjacent, but they're not just crypto traders. It's like Alex Kruger, like if you know him.
What
Um,
are the 12 people? Do you have it
actually,
yet,
let
or do you want
me.
to share next week?
No, I have it right now, but this is like my private Twitter list. Let me see.
Fuck you.
No, no,
You have to
I'll
pay
share it
for
right
a
now. I'll
TA
share
course before
it.
we can get access to the 12 gurus, yeah?
Please pay for our course first before you get access to this. No, but
Dude.
these
Share
are
screen, show me. I don't know them. Actually, this is something that I'm keen to learn as
these are the ones that I follow. I mean, like some of them are like kind of like washed. I guess it's kind of mean to
well.
like
Yeah,
say
like
that, but I mean, like Quinn Thompson. I think he this guy is a crypto guy. This is a mix like crypto hybrid and crypto macro. He's had some good calls, some okay calls, some bad calls, just like everybody else. Hugh Hendry's just like a crazy like personality. I don't think he's as like he's not doing as much research these days. Lynn Alden is like pretty famous. I'm sure you've
Wait,
seen her at like some
yeah,
podcast, yeah, and so
bruh.
on.
I
Huh?
see Raul Paul. I'm like, yo, is Marco trying to scam me? Shit.
No, Rawls, this guy is a bit more like actionable because he works for Rawl and he's their like head of research. So like you would see a bit more stuff, but they're like very, very macro. Like this person, I think she used to work at the Fed. So like very nerdy, like economist topic, but like sometimes it's like pretty good. And then like this guy also like trades crypto. This is like an old friend actually that used to be like a big KOL in 2017, but he mostly just do like crypto TA, like Bitcoin TA. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. I like how
Yeah, so
you have to flex like, oh, old friend, bro. Like
no,
me
bro,
and you
come
go way
on. That's
back,
not
bruh.
that is not the point, motherfucker. No, but I'm like trying to see this guy. Because like I think like Alex still tweets the most and like sometimes has like pretty good take. Okay, what's this? 2026, the
If
year of the Fed's
someone,
regime change.
if someone has zero knowledge about macro, and only been trading shit coins and meme coins and shit, how would you? Do you have like something in mind you recommended them to start looking?
I would follow the very big picture like equity analyst, so like people that just writes about S&P futures, QQQ, like I would not go into like bonds. I mean, okay, like okay, this sounds like a bad advice, but like basically what I'm trying to say is like if you've never traded macro and you've only do crypto, there's no need for you to like understand like the super in-depth stuff to start, as long as you understand, okay, a stock dumps right now, or like US interest rate goes up, blah blah. Just like understand that part, and then like find some of these like analysts that like argue their case, but don't fall into the trap of there's so many people selling research in like macro Twitter, and they're like selling and people always joke it's like the doomer thesis, because like if you write something, oh, it's the end of the US monetary system, blah blah, then you would get a lot of clicks and then people would buy your research, but it's like it's not always relevant. So yeah.
Understood. Understood. Okay. Okay. Sounds
Anyway,
good.
market wise, so you long Bitcoin. Any other altcoins
No,
that you
nothing.
long?
Like I just got lucky there. I'm not even gonna pretend. Like if I had conviction, I wouldn't buy more than I would buy more than Bitcoin.
Margin
I didn't
long
even
or
buy
just
hype,
spot?
bro. That's how fucking no not bullish I am. But
Wait, like Mark.
go to Velo. Go to Velo.
hmm I'm gonna. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, go Velo, and then oh, what the fuck is wrong with you? Why are you in light mode? Jesus Christ.
Oh, okay.
No, no, not go. Don't go to charts. Go to
Features,
market,
markets. Yeah.
and then go to on this bar in the box that you're looking right now. Go to large caps. No, the one next to it. The one next to it. The one next to it.
But yeah.
Yeah,
Large
and then
cap,
go
this one.
for so 1 week, and then go for 1 day.
Let's see.
So like I'm looking for
Lambo,
tokens that has more
the
strength,
TA
right?
group. Yeah.
No, like it's not
Okay.
TA, right? So right now I think it's just
ZEC. Yeah.
so like I think this right now is just like rotation, right? So if you like all the fucking guru like to say, pick the fastest horse, like this is how you pick the fastest fucking horse, bro.
Yeah. Okay.
But it's hard, right? If you look at ZCash, right, it's up a lot, but at the same time, it's if you go to 1 week, they're actually with the top token that dropped the most as well. So then it goes back to like, do you have the balls to bet it, right? But like if you're like locked in, I wanted to trade Zcash actually, just like when the market was rebounding, but then I got pussied, like basically, like I then I was like, if I have no conviction while I'm trying to trade this choppy market, is there any signal or anything that you're looking for to how long this Bitcoin pump will last? Actually, or you don't really have a view on this right now?
How long this Bitcoin pump would last? Okay, I think there are only two theses. I do like I'm a boring guy at this point, but like I do genuinely think it's the real thing. We either have another pump to like 150 range in 2026 because the Fed is gonna like do something, and then Trump is not gonna allow people to lose money leading to midterms, right? Because like if you follow US politics, right, basically like 2026 they have like midterms. So if they lose, if they don't make money, then Trump would not be able to do shit 2027, 2028, because then like the Democrats might win the seats. That's it. That's my only thesis. Like we either have that, or if that fails, it's GG. So like it's either like one more or it's over, and we're probably just gonna sideways from like 70 to like 90K until like the next couple of years.
100%. I mean, like that's why. That's my view. Agree as well. But like, how the fuck do you trade in between? That's the fucking problem. Like when is the dip? Yeah, that's the fucking hard part, right? Like, do I just actually that's why I bought Bitcoin a little bit. Like I was like, I'm just gonna buy a bit and fuck off.
It was just like spot. It makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah, and then if I win in 6 months, I likely win in 6 months. If Trump wins, like, thank you for my bags, right?
Yeah, I mean, did you see he's gonna give like, I mean, but that's like 2 kids, you know, like the $500 account for like every kid.
Bro, like I saw that, but I'm like, I don't know why. Do you feel as bullish as like, oh, everyone's getting steamy, they're gonna buy fucking meme coins again? Like maybe meme coin trenches is so dead that I don't get hype over
they're
that
not
anymore.
they're not gonna buy that. They're just gonna buy like Nvidia or some shit. But yeah.
Would you buy Google at this price?
I know Google has like gone up a lot, so like I don't know what price it right now, but like I know a lot of people were like calling it, and it was like a good call basically. Is it on Velo?
No,
Geo,
yeah.
Google on Bybit.
Yeah, but you need trading view for this. But it's okay lah. But I don't know. Fucking Pengu is going up again. Like I want to short it again, but I'm scared.
What's your thing with like Pengu, bro? It's fine.
I lost money there, and I want to make money back there. Fuck it, yeah.
Yeah, I mean it's a great stock if you buy at the beginning of the year.
See, it's not that I don't want to buy hype. Is that like how much? Okay. Like there's someone in the comments saying that like we should stop thinking and just buy hype, bro. Like to buy hype, like how much do you think hype will outrun Bitcoin, assuming the market stays flat, right? Like hype is on my buying list for sure. Like it's definitely overblown. It's overblown on its on the team selling, etc. But at the same time, it's like then overblown, but I can still find a better entry. But I guess that's why I'm poor.
I think the biggest mistake this year, and a lot of the liquid fund analysts that I speak with, because again, that's their core job. Like I don't follow it as much. They all make a lot more money from like trading stocks, just like on their like Webull account and like other accounts. So I think if you're like a trader, you definitely need, like if your main job is like liquid trading, I think it's definitely like don't force yourself to buy alts. I think that's sort of like that's like the reality right now. Like I don't know what I mean. Like it's probably like stock is also like overextended, but at the beginning of the year, like if you look into that, you're like significantly better. So yeah, like I don't know.
Yeah, do you want to jump up trading view or something and look at do some TA on hype? That's what I'm saying.
Hype.
Like hype is not in the buy zone, bro. I'm just looking at the hype chart right now.
Okay.
I mean, I still have quite a bit of hype actually, but like I don't want to add. That's the fucking thing in this market.
Let me do. Controversial. I actually like light mode for charts.
Use Bybit. Second one.
Bybit. Bought this one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. How do I? Okay.
Yeah, it was a good buy, man. Like there's a guy in the group chat called Llama. I think he bought or something.
But at like 30.
Yeah, and then Jake in the group chat bought at 30 as well, and then like intern bought a bit as well, I think.
Yeah, but it is still a downtrend. You know what I mean? Like it hasn't broken up the trend, but yeah, I mean it was a good punt.
It was a good punt, but like I was looking at that basically 26, 25-ish.
Yeah, it never hits like what like we wanted. They're always like, yeah, okay, my God, we are actually gonna sell courses soon. Okay, so look at this. Oh, look at the tiny thing.
Like I mean, like good for gambling, right? Like, but I guess like we should have longed it the minute Bitcoin was showing strength. Like that was the key.
Yeah, but it's also only up like 20%. Like
then put Bitcoin chart on here as well.
How do you do that? Oh, here, right? Yep. BTC, USDT. Come on, where you want to? Yeah, I mean, of course, if it's like the past year, but let's see from the bottom or something.
Yeah, they're yeah. Should have longed it in the first pump, to be honest. On the first, in the first pump after the bottom, basically. Oh well, it's okay. It is what it is.
What have you been seeing on the news cycle? What is interesting?
Can you go on Pump as well, by the way, before we jump on this? Pump and the Monet. Yeah.
Oh, you mean like Pump coin?
Token. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you forgot the pump already. Oh my god. Pump is right. Go Binance.
I'll just go Binance Futures. It's fine.
Pump.
Mm.
What about Monet?
I mean, Pump is bottoming. It's pretty good. No?
I'm actually using this chance to look for things to short right now. I'm still going
Monet
through my
probably.
watch list.
Okay. I probably shouldn't go here for Monet. Mon.
No, I don't want to short Monet. I don't want to short Monet. I'm not shorting Monet,
Yeah.
bro. I'm just saying I'm looking
Yeah.
for things to short, like scroll, like
Is it
yeah.
still worthwhile to look for things to short?
I don't know. I'm still looking, but I don't
Let's
think.
look at this. This is the 24-hour change, right? So we see the one that like pumped the most, and then you can see it. But not
No,
as
it doesn't
exciting.
work like that, right? Like so, if you look at like ZK, right? Go ZK. ZK has been one of
ZK.
my better short legs in general.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, so like the pump didn't even give them that much room. So if the market, what I want is the because I don't think I can pull in longs right now just because of my views towards the market. So what I'm gonna do is that if the pump is so
You will
strong
short
that
you will
I'll short
you will
I'll
find
short
things.
these
Yeah,
too short, and then
yeah.
Starknet as well. Like those are
If
typically
you look
good.
if you looked at the 7 day, I guess Sky is a good coin, so probably don't short that. I
Yeah,
mean, it's like
Sky is like
it's more like fundamentals. Yeah, Sui is probably gonna scam it, so also not a good
yeah.
short. This is, by the way, this is real fundamentals analysis. um, I think we just need to use a mix of this and token unlock. If I'm a liquid guy, yeah, that's all that I'm gonna look at. Like, when is the next big token unlock? Which token? Short it. Yeah, just gonna like build the positions, maybe hedge it by like have some Bitcoin longs or something like that. Yeah.
Go
Do
to
you use this
category.
this website?
Yeah. But like it's wrong quite a few times actually.
You want to go to
Like
categories and see which one is
and
pumping,
then
right?
go layer ones and go layer ones or layer ones and then layer twos, etc. And then you basically just see what pump too much that you think it's worth gambling a little bit.
You're gonna short plasma. No.
No. Too not the risk of reward is
Seven
not enough.
days peak Vanna. Vanna. Okay.
Yeah, there's not much options lately, to be honest. Like, there's not enough upside for me to long because I'm not bullish enough, and then to short they haven't
This
scam
bro.
pump enough
This.
yet. Cannot a very low. This is actually very low float
No.
right now.
Yeah.
No, not low
Yeah.
float. The market cap is actually very fucking small, bro. G move, baby.
Yeah.
G move.
G move. G move.
Like, guess what's their
Okay.
market cap is right now?
500.
Are you sure?
I don't know. It's been a while since I looked.
I think it's less than that. Check it. Click into it.
Prediction markets live. We're gonna gamble. Hold it. Oh, I'm almost. Oh wait, no. I'm right on the FDV. I was like thinking of their FDV.
Sure, switch it,
Okay.
bro. Like,
Sure.
just be like,
Sure.
fuck.
Oh my god. Um. Yeah. What
What do
else? I
you
mean, like.
thinking about Starknet? Like someone's asking us, what do I think about Starknet? I don't think it's.
Wait. So this is a bit of a noob question, but the like X-Men and Perp Dex, is that built on Starknet? Because like I think I saw something like they're like tagging it, or I don't know.
Yeah.
Like
I don't
the
think
Perp Dex. Yeah.
I like if you look at go to the chart, right? Like people don't believe in that narrative. Like they might believe in the tech, just like a lot of projects in that cycle. They believe in the tech, but they don't believe in the token. Right. STRK, yeah.
Oh
Right,
shit.
bro. Like
Yeah.
doesn't matter. Like I mean
Hmm.
I rather bid extended and Paradex in a higher size than go for Starknet because I think all this infra has been proven that like it doesn't move. Like go to Arbitrum, bruh. Look at this chart, man. Like Hyperliquid is the best dex, and then Bex Perk dex, and then
Yeah, I
their
mean, of
bridge
course,
and
it's
everything
different.
is
Yeah.
from here. I mean, like
Dude, one thing
obviously it's
that
not ZK shit, but like
yeah.
it's proven that the market is not pricing it in my opinion.
No, like I think this is the biggest conversation of this cycle. Like we are not a superstar of CT yet. Fingers crossed. No, but jokes aside, that you see like Santi and Hasib is gonna debate about like the value of like L1s and so on. Like so like they have been like back and forth like debating it. I mean, like obviously both have their own bags. Like, okay, like I'm just gonna like break it down because like I feel like one of the things that we do better in this show is like we break down, I guess, like crypto Twitter inner circles, for the lack of a better term. I mean, like if you guys have been following CT for the last couple of days, like Hasib was basically trying to like argue that the L1 narrative, you should still believe it because the tech can always improve. He has fucking monet bags, right? And then like Santiago raised money for his own L1, who is called, I forgot the name, but it's like a reverse approach. It's like basically he wants to acquire apps and then like integrate it through the chain. So he needs to push for apps. It's just people talking their own books. Like there's nothing wrong with it. But it's like whenever people debate about this stuff, it's like I think I'm slightly more on the Santi side, that I think it's extremely tough to be the third, let's say, like big chain after Solana. You know, like I mean, Bitcoin eats Sol, and then like nothing else like comes even close, right? I think it's very hard for any chain to achieve that if they don't launch their own app inside of them right now. That's basically it. I don't know how you feel, man, but like whenever like like what you said just now basically like made me remember that debate. Yeah.
I think there's a few key elements for me, right? Like, so do you think blockchain is 3G, 4G, 5G, or do you think it's Android and iOS?
Huh. I don't fully get the 5G analogy. Yeah,
So
sorry.
so
Yeah.
so if blockchain is the next internet, is it like the 5G infrastructure people? Like who provide like the telecom?
I'm
Do they provide
my
the 5G?
if I'm a betting man and I have to make the choice, it's 5G. Why? Because any countries in the world can do their work to make 5G. But to make an iOS, like you have to win by regulation, by lobby, blah blah, which in an open source environment you can't. Like Solana cannot tomorrow say, like I'm gonna make Solana phone and I'm gonna take 30% if you don't do this. No, like it's a commoditized tech that like right now, like even emerging developing countries can just make cheap 5G.
My argument between the whole conversation is that first, the problem right now of L1s or layer 1 token dumping is not because of whatever fundamental reasons. It's because token does not correlate with performance or whatever. Like the token performance is not related to chain performance or whatever. That's the problem one. But this is disregarding tech or whatever. Part number two is, as a layer 1, you still don't know, are they going to be the 5G, 4G infra, or are they going to become the iOS, to be very honest. And obviously
Yes.
everyone should try to be the iOS. I don't know, do you guys remember back in the days? I think fundamentally tech, in 2023, when Arbitrum has a very good ecosystem, there was no difference in terms of tech between 2023 and now, in my opinion. But once you have an ecosystem that thrive, which is GMX at the core, with all these other stuff and ecosystem around it as the DeFi core, suddenly people will come back to that.
Yeah.
And GMX is not an efficient model. They lost to Solana because of they couldn't do meme coins as well. The foundation didn't react as quickly. But Solana were not able to build an ecosystem around Pump.fun. And Pump.fun was dumping Sol, right? Whatever Sol they have. So I think this is like a connecting event which make people more and more don't believe in layer 1s. But if there is a layer 1 that can suddenly bring this back a little bit, keep the ecosystem tight, then the whole conversation will be very different in my opinion. Because like people in crypto forget shit, right?
Yeah.
From yeah.
I fully agree with what you said, man. Like I think I want to give credits with some companies who are actually working to like solve the like token equity problem. I forgot that there's one that went quite viral recently, and I like their post. And let me see if I can find it. But the point, as I was looking for that, is yeah, you're right. The core issue all stems from the fact that there's no, like, even until now, right? Let me show you this person, like just full transparency, like I don't know who he or she is. I am not investors and so on, but they've been writing a lot about these like articles that went quite viral. They do the research with like other funds and so on, and I think they're like trying to work on tokens that are investable assets. So maybe check them out. It seems interesting. I did reply to see if they want to come to the pod. So yeah, maybe if you guys want us to chat with them, just like go there, like like let them know. But
Can you send me the post?
you,
I'll DM them.
yeah. So the thing is, yes, even if you are like, I do like, I feel like, okay, like let me be passionate for like 3 minutes. Like I'm so annoyed like whenever crypto people are pseudo like intellectual like debating about like, oh, token equity, I'm a lawyer, I'm a big fan of. There's only one litmus test. If I find a billionaire and I buy 50% plus one of Pump.fun token tomorrow, do I have the company? If until that happens, token is going to be worthless, right? Like it's as simple as that. Like until that happens, that's it. Yeah.
And let me tell you another part. Before that happens, not much company will do this, because if you see them as company, tokens valuation will drop by 10x and they can't even raise money.
Yes. Yes.
And then the cost of running a crypto company is very expensive.
But my argument is that no, I don't fully agree with that, because I feel like the tech is, if you're making like just another app, right? If it's a chain, it's a different discussion. If it's like an L1 and L2. But if you're making a DEX, you're making a money market, the cost to do that is actually has gone down so much that I don't believe that why should you be worth, I guess, like 30 million for your seed round when
Bro, how are you gonna okay, so
Yeah,
so let's say if you're doing that, how the fuck are you gonna have emissions? Because your valuation is so low, your emission will not be able to match the TVL metric that you need.
yeah, okay, but that's like a broader
No,
problem.
I'm saying,
Yeah,
like, I agree everything you're saying, but what is stopping us because of these? And then like the guy in the group chat, I still can't say his name. What ZK Calibra is it? Sorry, excuse me, I'm Chinese as fuck, so I don't know how to say that name. But yeah, ZK bro. But like yeah, like HL model, it's good. Lighter is good as well. But like those are the only high revenue generating business in crypto. Like Perk is the only high revenue generating thing. I mean, like Lighter is cool. Yeah.
Uh-huh. No, but like, even for them, it's like the promise and the future expectation that they would honor the token holders, right? Like it is not embedded into, like, at least the next step should be like hyperliquid. I completely agree. It should be like a social contract first if it's too hard to implement on the legal level. Like there should be like a social contract that if you're a project, you have to honor your token holders, maybe like above a certain metrics, blah, blah. But then it becomes like this game of like, as founders, you want to have a lot more power over your token, right? So it's like,
it's funny.
like you don't want to be so public about like what you would do, at what level you would honor. And like sometimes it's like, yeah, your company isn't worth $1 billion FDV, but you might be like 120 million FDV company that's generating two mil a year, and you're living a good life, bro. Like chill.
Shut the fuck up. There's no crypto company that is generating like a revenue that justifies 150 mil fucking FDV, bro. Like go to Tifala and look at revenue. Zero.
See, it's so crazy because like I think what I just said to you is like a good middle ground. It's like realistic, but even you think it's like actually crazy, right? Like if you make 2 million like revenue and then you're worth 150 mil, they're like, that's nuts. But I'm like, yeah, I know that's nuts, but crypto right now is even crazier.
Bro, like I can just why we say that. Actually, let's not deal on this. Like people cannot make money off this, anyways.
No, but it's fine. Okay, no, just like say your last piece. Yeah.
Okay. Let me send you something in the chat. Like this is something interesting. I have no backs because I slept past it, but because like I was gonna. There's this Ponzi on Monet.
What's this?
So I'm not shilling this thing, but like I thought this was interesting. I didn't play it because I slept through it.
Okay, it's still loading. What is
I don't
this?
actually know the price.
Manipulate the future. Okay, what is this? Launch in 1 hour. Okay. Is it pretty cool?
Go to the
stuff?
website. Go to the website.
Do not click me. Shit, am I gonna get drained?
No lah, click lah. Click. Eh?
What am I supposed to do, bro? Okay.
Yeah. Wait, no. Click it, and then, bro, just yeah. Go on then. Yeah, verify.
It's not working.
It's not working. What the fuck? They're just fucking with you now. Really?
Yeah, it's not working. I'm just gonna read the fucking docs.
Click docs. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so TLDR. Oh, yeah, I only read the docs, bro. Sorry.
Polymarket. Okay.
So it's a Polymarket with 3-3, baby.
Oh, Polymarket with 3-3. Okay. Dude, I feel like
Yeah.
3-3 is coming back. Then Polymarket with 3-3, and then there's like one on like Mega ETH and
Okay, so right now this is only like I don't know, when I checked it this morning it was only like 6 mil or something. But this is not something that I'll play right now just because I've been a bit zen lately. So like the game is very interesting. It's a prediction market, but you don't use USDC or ETH to bet. Everything is based on its token HST. Okay? And then based on HST, every cycle, which is every question, you can the protocol mints 2% of the total supply as an inflation. And freshly printed token will be used to buy the no side of the market.
Okay.
Bro.
I see. Yeah.
Bro. You didn't click the right thing. I'm in the website right now. Fuck it.
Come on. Wait, which one should I click?
You should
So
click
dumb.
read the fucking letters, bro. You go there and read the fucking letters. It's saying to click like the fucking oh my god.
Logo. Oh my god.
Ew. Holy fuck, if I don't post, I can't see the whatever.
They're like trying to
So
make people,
basically
yeah.
it inflates 2% of its HST and they'll buy no. And then if you hold yes, if you buy HST, the price goes up, and when you win HST as well. So it's like if you have to buy the token to buy no, or you have to buy the token to buy yes as well, I think. And then I guess when you win, whoever will get the price. So the idea is that there's always you get inflation from people buying the no. So you can either buy the HST token because you think people will buy and bet, right? So let's say if the question is like 1 + 1 = 2, is it true? Then it's yes, right? Then you'll buy HST to bet yes, so you can win the no basket, which is a bunch of HST that was minted. But then you have to gamble the price volatility before you get the no basket. The minute I need to bridge more funds to buy this fucking thing, and I'm like, I can't be bothered, bro. And they're like, I'm not gonna do size, and like, but yeah, that got me a little bit excited last night. But I slept. I fell asleep. Which
This is
one?
how
I don't see anything.
This is how you make money now as a protocol.
Well, I haven't played it. Like, can you play it? Because I thought it's too gambly.
Like,
how much
I
is
don't
it?
know
How
how
much
much.
is it?
Hey.
Let's go. No, not that cup.
Hey.
Let me pick the fucking cup. Left.
Okay,
Left.
okay.
Yeah, buckets, bro. Left. Wait, when do I cash out?
Wait.
One more time.
you
One
can-
more time. One more time.
You can like cash out like whenever.
Middle,
Yeah.
middle. First cup. Yeah, boy. Buckets all day.
Okay.
Yeah,
which
this
which
one. Yeah, this one. All right. Left. Give me a fucking left. All right. Cash out. Recoup, bro. Recoup. I'm done. I'm flat. Shit. Oh
Shit.
fuck.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, by the way,
And then-
what do you think about? There's someone in the group chat, is talking about like builder codes and layer 2 apps and layer 3 eco apps, right? Do you have any views on this?
I
How
don't
do you
have
have
back
all
yet,
these tweets ready to share, just like that, and
Like
then
them
you
and so
search
on.
it just like that? Jeez.
Yeah.
Hey, maybe next time, in the
Yeah.
format we can do like a quick 5 top news that you feel like is worthy sharing. Then we go into markets, and then we can get to
Yeah, for
post
sure,
that
for
like
sure.
right away. Yeah. Okay. So I think there's 2 parts in builder codes, right? There's one part that is they already have the distribution. They just needed something quickly to integrate more revenue,
Yep.
which is like Phantom, etc. Right? And then, but what about base app have? Like that's the part I don't understand. Like why people like use base app. Like the app is not great. Like I mean it's good, but like it's not great. I'm paying extra fees for things that I can access easily, and then if I'm using it, I'm just trying to double farm airdrop. That's what I'm thinking. Like there's no real advantage in using it, and it doesn't have its own distribution before Hyperliquid, I think.
It has.
Bro,
Yeah.
but the fees you pay are so much fucking more if you trade in size, though. No, like at
Maybe,
that point, I
but
can hire an intern to fucking click the buttons for
Is
me
it
from
that
home.
bad? No, because
It's
like
not that
I don't
bad,
know
but
the
like,
difference.
Like if you trade, if the like builder code fees, right? Like what's the, I don't know, like what, HL builder code fees.
or you
I'm
can just
guessing,
ask
by the way.
Super Grok. Yeah.
Like it's with a maximum of 0.1% on perks, right? And then if you trade 1 mil, it's still a lot.
Yeah. Okay. But I think maybe the value that they're offering, and because they have like, like, and also they like gamified a lot, right? Like they have like the XP systems, and then now I think they're like building like little things that you can build inside. Like there was a friend of ours, right, that's building the astrology TA inside the fucking app, right? Remember? Like, so yeah, I don't know, like I think it's a mix of they were first on the mobile side. The founder has their network. And then I think maybe they know how to do like the affiliate model, blah blah. It's basically at the end of the day, I think it's just you just need to know the typical exchange marketing, right? Like if like please correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like exchange business is actually the most conventional. That's why a lot of like conglomerates are doing it, because the playbook is actually there. Just like if you have a shit ton of money and the tech is good, and now the tech is commoditized because you have builder code, so you don't even have to be good at like building the perp decks. Just like plug it in, be good at like UI marketing, pump $1 million to like find like marketing girlies and like referrals and so on, and like you should make money, right? So like I don't know if there's like any secret sauce. I mean, like the team is like one of the better ones at like shipping, but it might just be that. Yeah.
I agree. But again, I agree everything you say, but I don't think based app is that. So I'm surprised how well they're doing. Like I'm happy for them, but I just don't understand why. Like, because they're DeFi native users, like their user. So that's why like,
I don't think
foresee. Are they not?
I don't think DeFi native. Well, yes, for memes, but to my understanding, they were more of like traders, like power traders. They're not like DeFi farmers. Yeah, they were mostly like GMGN users, Axiom, Bybit, and so on. Yeah.
Okay. Anyways, I think it's long enough for tonight. Till next week, same time.
It's long enough. Yeah. All right.
All right.
We'll see you guys next week from Boomer 1 and Boomer 2. Signing out. Bye bye.
All right. Peace.